I have some onion which is sprouting. These onions are sprouting. We have new shoots coming here. We have new shoots shooting. So today I'm going to show you that you can regrow this sprouting onion. So it all starts by unsheathing the outer layers. So it means removing the outer layers of the onion. But if you find that the roots are not that good, or they are not really, like coming out, you can always soak this shoot of onion in water, and then wait for maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and then you have roots forming. So if the base root is not that good, always remember to soak this in water, so it will stay in water for some time, so until the roots regrow, then we can then plant this one. But today we are going to plant 3 of the onion which have shoots. So today is the planting of the this onion. We want to regrow the onion. So it starts by unsheathing the outer layers to get the shoots. So we want to go into the inner core. Sometimes if it feels soft, that means you can no longer use the remaining onion for cooking because it has gone soggy. So let's see this one. Let's go to the inner core. It involves removing the outer layers. You can just do it with your fingers. We are removing the outer layers, and then we come to the core. We want to go to the core, the inner core of the sprouts. So this one, we can no longer cook this one, so it will go to compost. So we continue to unsheath. We remove the outer layers until we get to the core. Wow, so we go to the core. This, we now have 2. We have this one. We can regrow this one, this shoot here. You can regrow this. It has a bit of a root base, so we can regrow this one. So we put it aside. And we also have this one. We can get 2 from this shoot here. I think we can get 2. We are unsheathing this onion here. We do it gently. So if we feel that the root base is not that good, we can always again put this one in water and wait for some days. But I think this one, I think it will sprout, so we can plant this one today. We still have 2 more to go, so we are checking out. We are unsheathing. They usually feel a bit soft, when they start to regrow. The bulb feels soft. So just unsheath them. Oh, this one is a perfect one. Since it is only coming in 1 sprout, we can have this as a new seedling, this one. So we have 3 so far. So we have this white onion. So we've done 3 purple onions. So we also have this white onion. It feels very hard. So when the onion is sprouting and feels hard, and it has a very good root base. Look at the root base, it's really good. So with this one, What I normally do is I can always cook the layers. So you can use a knife or on a board and just go in to remove the outer layers, which are still very hard. It can still be cooked. Now look at that. Look at this. You can still cook this one. So you can just, have it as part of your, cooking. Use it in your cooking because it's still hard. There's no need to regrow. I'm not regrowing the whole of this because it is hard. It still feels very hard despite the sprouting. So let's remove the outer layers and we can cook them. Use them in our cooking. We want to go to the inner core. So these ones can be used for cooking until we reach the inner core. You can use, now that we are nearly there to the inner core, you can just press it like this. Oh, look at that. You can just press it and you see it's coming out nicely. And this for cooking. It's really looking really good. And you can always chop off the top bits, the brown bits. So we have an onion here, part of the onion for cooking. And this is the inner core. Now we are going to separate the inner core. So you just do this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You just do this and fold it down like this. Now we have our cooking onion, hard, still very hard. We reserve it for cooking. And this is the core we have been looking for. So our inner core is here with beautiful sprouting leaves of the onion here. So you just remove this one. So as it has a lot of strength, this one has lots of strength, and it still has the root base. It has the root base and is sprouting with energy. So this is what we were looking for. So we can always regrow the onion. We first of all unsheath the outer layers to get to the inner core with the shoots. The rest of the base, the root base, this is the root base, will help us, will help the plant to regrow. So we can then we can replant this shoot in well-manured planters, or you can put them right on the, on the ground. If the roots are too few, here we have a massive collection of roots here. Look at them, they're massive. They are really plenty. So in case of no roots, like this one here, in case of no roots, if you compare these two, this one has roots and this has no roots. So this one with no roots, you can soak it in water for some time, for some days. But this one with the healthy root base, it has a healthy root base, and it will help the plant to prosper, to grow again. So what are we going to do now? We have collected, if the onion is hard like these ones, they're still hard, these ones. You can use them in your next cooking. But now we are going to plant these shoots. We are going to plant these shoots. And this one is now waiting for the root base to improve. After some days, we'll see the roots sprouting, and we will then plant these two. We have prepared a well-manured planter. So our planter is there, it's ready. This is our planter. The soil is really rich. So I'm going to do 4 onion in total into this planter. So I will need a one which will go in the central part of the planter. We have 4 shoots of the onion. We have 3 red ones and 1 white one. So I'm going to put the white one in the center and the other ones go by the sides. So using a simple tool here, we just dig down about an inch or so, about maybe 4 centimeters. Then we plant our onion there. We cover it and we press it. You press it. So our white onion is gone in the center. So we have 3 other onion shoots. These ones. So we need to plant another one there. Make sure you cover you just leave a little tip. 2 more to go. Then we have this last one. So we have our 4 onion planted in here, this planter here. So what we have to do is just to water. We are going to water the onion. So our onion are well planted in there. So we'll wait until our onion has, our onion bulbs have developed more shoots. Look at that. We are trying to regrow the onion. We've removed the outer layers. We went right into the inner core and we took out the inner cores for planting. And now we have this inner cores planted in this well manured soil. We've buried them deep in the soil. So we'll wait until the onion starts to show new plants, new shoots. Thanks everybody for watching.